Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Well, today I went to Michael's and the Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I got a whole lot of good stuff. And I spent a whole lot more than I wanted to. And yeah, I even bought lots more glitter. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I was bad. I went shopping again, and the first thing I did was get a large sheet of felt. I needed this. I don't even know what I paid for this. I think it was $1.49, but I needed this to fit under our TV so it doesn't scratch the cabinet. And the one I had up there has been up there for 5 years, and shaking it out and dusting it, and it started to get shabby looking. And I got 2 small regular sized felt pieces in black, and I got a couple in brown. These I was actually out of. And I know when I'm at Michael's I should never ever go near the glitter section, but they've got such pretty things. I got this. It's called Bling Stress. And come on, focus. It's a chunky hologram, silver, but it's got stars in it. Oh, I just fell head over heels for this one. So I had to get that. They had it in, I forget what the other shape was, but I didn't want to go too overboard since I had already been to Walmart and I was on my way to the Dollar Tree. Then I got this, and it's called Rose. And it's a little pinker than normal rose gold, but yeah, it's hologram. Chunky glitter too. And yeah, whoa, is that shimmer. So that's it for Michael's. Then I went to the Dollar Tree, and of course I spent way too much. Well, I went in for the chips as usual, and they are still $1, so they're still really good price. And of course my son is totally out of his, so I had to get him some more. And I got my husband his pretzels, and he likes his penny sticks. And actually they're not bad. There's not too much salt. They're always crispy. They're pretty good. I saw this can of chicken gravy. I have never tried this, but for some reason this year it's almost impossible to find chicken gravy. You can find turkey anywhere. I don't like turkey. So I picked this up, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not real sure about canned gravy, but hey, living life. Okay, and then I got some plain white wrapping paper. And I like having this on hand because you can change it up so nicely just by the color ribbon you put on. And you can use it any time of year. So I like when they come out with this. And they always come out with it at Christmas time. And I got that. And then I got a couple of poinsettias. These are a champagne color. And I really, really like the champagne. They've got just a little tiny bit of glitter. So, yeah, I already know what I'm going to do with that. I did get, I cannot find white snowflakes. I looked at Walmart and all they had was silver. So, I got a couple of these. Although this is not really what I want. I want those flat ones. So I got and they're 3D on both sides. So I got a couple of those. Don't know if I'm going to be using them or not, but I really like them. I got a stocking holder for the baby. Cute little snowman with a star. And I told you I'm not a gold person. So when I looked, I actually didn't have much in the way of gold. So I picked up a couple of these glitter ribbons. And I got a couple of these, and they're like a clear almost. I mean, they're very sheer. And I got 2 of those. And then I got 1 silver. I thought I got 2, but I guess I didn't. And I got a couple of the sheer silver and the bigger, wider ones. And that is definitely for a project that I have in mind. And I want to try and get that done this week because Thanksgiving is coming up real soon. I got a couple of gloves. And I don't know if these are too big for the baby or not. But I got a pink one for his sister, and that's black, and that goes with his coat. And I got a couple of black for my son, because he likes wearing those in the car when he's driving. And then, you know how the baby likes his lights. And I am going to have to get these outside tomorrow to charge them. I got him a little elf. And a deer. And a snowman. And a Santa. So I'll get these all charged up and he can play with them tomorrow night. But that's it for my Dollar Tree. And Walmart. I went way overboard at Walmart, but I usually do because they have a lot of stuff I always need. Okay, I got some silver holographic wrapping paper. And it really doesn't have much of a design. It just has a holographic design. So that's the only wrapping paper I'm getting this year. The white from the Dollar Tree and the silver. I might look for gold. I don't know. I think I'd rather just accent in gold. Then I am so excited I found these. I looked for these last year. I looked for these in the beginning of the year. These are the holographic ornaments. And they're still $3.98. But I always like the way they look like a bubble. So, because I couldn't find any last year, I got 2 this year. And I got the baby a couple of window clings because he just loves playing with these. This one's Snowmen and Santas. And Little Tree. And this one is more for me than anything, but of course there's the baby Jesus. And I actually have a manger that's in these children forms. So, yeah, I really like this one. So, we got that for the little one. I'll be honest with you, I was not going to get this. I wasn't looking for it. My husband found it. God bless him. I have wanted to see this so bad. And I was actually thinking the other day, I wonder if this is going to be on TV soon. So he found it, so I got it. I know what I'll be crafting too tomorrow. I needed a new bead box. The one that I have is, you open it up and the whole lid pops off. I could only find one in the floss section. I could not find an actual bead box, but this is the same outside. All the other stores had much larger ones. So I went with that. I needed a new SD card. The only thing that they had was a 64 gig. And I really don't like the 64s. I like 32s because 64 takes longer to load up. But I will make do. And yes, you know, okay, I've decided next year I want a tree with a ton of baby blue ornaments. So I think I have one of this. This is the blue cotton. I think I have one, but for what I have in mind, yeah, I'm going to need a couple. And then I did another no-no. I got some more glitter, like I don't have enough. This is hologram chunky glitter, and it's called Party Blend Unicorn Disco? Oh, lighting's really bad. I think I have some of this, but I've used quite a bit when I've been mixing. So I got another one just to be sure. And I got crystal diamond. And it's white. I was almost completely out of the white. I mean, I was like scraping the bottom of my little tubes. So I got a big white. Okay, now for some more little things for the baby, which he needs. I mean, they're practical gifts. When the baby comes to visit, and he cracks me up, the first thing he does is he takes his shoes off and he wants his slippers. Well, for the life of me, I cannot find a couple of his slippers to a couple of pairs. I'm thinking he may have put them behind the bookcase, but he needed new slippers. So we got him these little dinosaur ones, and these are a pretty hard sole, so he can actually run out onto the porch. And then I got him these little moccasins. Actually, his grandpa found these, and these are 12, and I figure if they're a little too big, he'll grow into them. These are an 11, 12. He has size 10, and the one pair I really have to kind of fight to get them on. So if he's going to grow into them, that's fine. If not, and they fit him now, it's fine. And the last thing I got on my non-food haul is, oh my goodness, got him jammies for Christmas. This is a blanket sleeper. And I like putting these on because he kicks his covers off at night. And I'm always afraid he's going to get a chill. So we got him a new blanket sleeper. That's only $8.24. And I was kind of surprised because usually in size 4T, it's really hard to find blanket sleepers. But they always seem to have them around Christmas time in Christmas designs. So yeah, I was pretty happy I got him that. And of course I'm going to give him his slippers tomorrow when he comes here. So that's about everything I got. And everything else, as you can see over there, is all food. And I already put most of that away because there was a lot of frozen, a lot of cold stuff. And let me pre-warn you, get out and get what you need now, because the stores are almost empty. We shopped one Walmart, and now we have to go to the another Walmart tomorrow to see if we can get the things that they were out of. So I was really surprised I could get cranberry sauce and sweet potatoes sweetened with Splenda. So, well, we got that. I'm almost ready. I just need to get my turkey and a couple other little odds and ends like potatoes. The potatoes are way too expensive. So, that's about it. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.